Alright guys, it's me, AJ. Just me, AJ. I haven't recorded any videos in a while, and today I'm going to show you my fidget spinner. Alright. Whoops. I was going to spin it, but it spins for a while. I'll just put the hammer down and spin it. Look how fast that thing goes. Just fast as... I was just gonna say this is a funny saying. It's just as fast as Flash. If any of you know who Flash is, he's basically a very fast superhero. Wow, look at that thing go. I got a blue fidget spinner too, but it's upstairs somewhere and I'm trying to look for it. So that means I got 2 fidget spinners. This thing spins for a while. I kind of timed it once and it spun for about 1.5 minutes. It's starting to slow down a little. Yeah. This thing spins quite a bit. I was gonna make this video last night, but I didn't have any time really. Alright guys, Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave some comments about what I can do with or ask me if you want me to show my other fidget spinner, my blue one. Bye.